Hello everyone, my name is Guillaume Chaverot and I'm a postdoc at Institut of Astrophysics and Planétologie in Grenoble, in France, and I study habitability of exoplanets. To do so, I use different climate models, 1D, 3D, and other stuff, to try to estimate what could be the climate of the exoplanets we detect and we try to characterize to see if some of them can host liquid water. This question is really important for exobiology because before going into a deep study of exobiology and trying to find biosignatures, we need to find interesting targets and especially targets hosting liquid water. So this is the question I study, and this is still the first point we need to achieve before detecting biosignatures, because for now we don't know any exoplanet hosting liquid water at the surface. So in my presentation, I plan to try to review a bit what we know and especially what we don't know about those exoplanets potentially hosting liquid water. This is particularly interesting because in a few years we're gonna have the ELT and various instruments dedicated to try to go toward the characterization of a smaller and more temperate planet. So this question of liquid water is really accurate nowadays thanks to this new generation of instruments. And this will be the first step from a point of view before the more advanced instruments such as HWO and life in space, for which the aim is to detect biosignatures. Thank you.